funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling bright.
Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and today we are going to be doing a garage tour. Yes, this is my garage and I've turned it into a lounge and it's so cozy and chill in here. Like, we absolutely love it. It is the perfect little hangout area. So today I'm going to show you guys all the little DIYs and just the different things that I did to bring this whole space together. I love it. I hope y'all like it. If you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so we are going to go ahead and start the garage tour. We're going to start with the entertainment area. Pretty much over here, I have the frames that I painted gold and black, and I did the word art on my own. And then I have a little leaf, and there's a bamboo stick here just to add some character to the space. Over here, this is an old lamp from the thrift store. It was probably like $2. I spray painted it black, a matte black, and put on a white linen shade that was also from the thrift store for like $1. And then the bookshelf, I just turned on the side. This used to be in the house. I turned it on this side and I put some foam that's $1 from the Dollar Tree on the back of it just to enclose it. And I just stored some baskets in here to keep some little storage, some little knickknacks, some plants, and some artwork. Over here I just have two little rugs. This one's from Five and Below. This one's from Walmart. This is also from Five Below. And this plant is from Walmart. So a lot of this stuff is from Five and Below. Like this pom-pom blanket. This is also from Five Below. Because they just have a lot of good stuff for the lows from there. This is a sectional couch that's from Walmart. It's actually pretty comfy, so this is just good to lounge on and watch TV. And then moving on over to here, we have this little area. This is just a little nook for decor. I made this one as well, painted in a matte black. It's just a hookah. And then we have a guitar that my husband's father gave him. This artwork here is actually from IKEA. And I love the cityscape. It just creates a nice good backdrop and atmosphere in here. Okay, so over here we have the bar area. And I really like how I just put this little space together. So all I did was I just got this bar cart from Amazon. And then I got these 3 letters, BAR, to insinuate that it's a bar area. Got some shelves and brackets from Home Depot, hung them up to create storage and a decorative space. And then I made this word art. This tray is actually from the thrift store as well. It's like 79 cents. I spray painted it black and lamb. Look at that. Also, this is from Five Below, just a little punch bowl. These are little baskets with cups for storage, little flask, and some paper towels, you know, liquor, all that kind of good stuff. So this is the bar area. I really like how this space came together. And right beside it, we have this cozy nook. This is my favorite space in the garage because I just love the contrast, first of all, with the black wall and the white wall. And I chose to go with a black paint because it creates depth, so it makes the room feel longer than it actually is. And I also camouflage the door with the paint, so you can't actually tell that the door is here. It just makes it all blend in really well. And what this actually is it's an ottoman, so it's very soft and comfy, and we got pillows. And sometimes I come out here and do stuff on my laptop or just chill. And I put up a shelf right here with some brackets to create like a floating nightstand type of area. And it's got some candles and plants. And I created this word art as well. Spray painted it gold and it says stay a while. And I just got some lights. So I really like this little area. It's so nice and cozy. And moving on over. So this whole area, I put up floor to ceiling curtains on these little poles that I got from IKEA, and I just used the little teacup hooks and screwed them into the ceiling and literally just put the pole up there and hung the curtains. And now it literally has all of our storage, so you can't see all the ugly that's in the garage. So we still use it as a garage even though it's a lounge, so we don't lose any of our storage. And this is just a little seating area. And then over here we have a hanging panel light that I created. I just got this off of Amazon, and I brought the actual pendant separate as well from Amazon. And I just put it together and created this little pendant light look. And we got this table, which was ultra fine. And these chairs, I love them because it has the wood back, but then it also has the gray linen with a cushion seat, which is beautiful, and it creates a nice contrast. Oh, I also forgot to say, each space is grounded with a rug to create each area. So over here we have this nice woven rug, and then over here we're just going to pan back over. Over here we have a nice decorative rug as well for this space. Now moving on over. Okay, so moving on over to this area, we have this. This was a big flower canvas. I actually spray painted the whole thing white, and then I threw splashes of black paint all over it. And I got this Good Vibes Only decal, and now we have like a nice piece of word art. And what I was going to do with this space, I had these strings here, so I actually had it like this, like floating canvas hanging from the ceiling, but the teacup hooks kept falling out, and I was like, I'm not going to keep doing this. So I just was like, I'll just put it on the ground, which it still looks good, but of course I wanted it hanging instead. And I just got this little stand from Five Below with some eucalyptus plants and a little vase. And also this area has a rug. And this is just a nice little chase that I got from a garage sale. I think this was like 20 bucks. So this is like, yes, I need it. It's perfect for the space. And it's got a little pillow and a little lamp, you know, if you want to read a book, get on your phone, whatever you want to do. It's a good little space area for that. Okay, and this is an old dresser that we got out of the kids' room. We were actually going to get rid of it, but I decided to just bring it out here and use it as a storage space. So in here we have like just like little different things for arts and crafts. Tools are also in here as well. Just little different knickknacks that we need to keep up with, but we don't have anywhere to put it. We would just put it in here. So it's a nice little storage component. And that will pretty much be the end of the tour for the garage. Okay, so that's going to conclude the garage tour video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love it. I hope y'all liked it. We love to just come out here, cook on the grill, just chill out with our friends, listen to music, watch a game, watch a movie night, whatever. There's so many different things you can literally come out here and do. I like to come out here sometimes just get away from the kids. So it's like a really good chill area. I hope y'all loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share it on all your social media platforms. Thank you again, and I'll see y'all next time.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.